Hello, I am Marcel Levi. I'm president of the Dutch Research Council, NWO. NWO strongly supports a new way of recognizing research efforts and output of people who do research. And this all fits in a new culture that we need in the research community. And it has to do with open science, with inclusion, creating more diversity in the research that we're doing and in the group of researchers that do this science. Having another way of appreciation of research is part of this. And this means we're not only to count publications or citations. Of course, we will still do that because we're not going to throw away the baby with the bathwater. But we will also look at other things that we find important, like relevance of research, communication about research, societal impact of research. And all these things are very, very important to get a more global and a more modern picture on how a researcher is doing. And this may have consequences for things like rewarding of research scholarships, research financing, but also maybe promotion in universities and academic institutions. We think that this requires a culture change, and that's very important. If we all feel that this is going to benefit research in general, but also the people who do research, we will get there. And international cooperation is crucial because researchers do cross boundaries, and we all need to agree on this new culture and this new system on how we want to organize our research.